It is a great program to come to find out other new ideas.
Bring lots of business cards because you're going to network with a lot of people.
So far it is a great experience. A lot of neat people, a lot of experience to be learned.
And it's been a great experience. One of our key things will be to figure out what we're going to focus on, and then in the upcoming months make sure that we deliver on those few items that we decide to focus on.
Just being able to network with other training coordinators, companies that have been doing this for a lot longer than us, and being able to learn from them.
It's a great collaboration to do a few things. One, to justify what you're doing in your programs and see that you're doing some things right, which is a great justification. Two, it is a great program to come to find out other new ideas and things that you can do better.
Just when you think your program is good enough or that you're on the right track, you might hear something new from somebody that just sparks an idea in your head. And then you can take that back and actually implement it too.
And I get calls on a regular basis after this conference. Everybody shares. We're now a global company, and to be global in the world, you have to share information.
Learn something new every time we come, and it's a really enjoyable experience overall.
Book your trip right now, find out when the next one is, and go.
It's definitely make the time to do it. It's worth the trip out.
If you're thinking about it, just do it.
Schedule it because you should be here